genuinely worried. Hi, I'm Debbie. Who's on tour? It's the same faces. Well-traveled musician doubles down on concerns over shrinking impact of Jamaican music on the world stage. Tonight, keyboard player Nigel staff minces no words as he zeroes in on visas, touring, and the crucial role of the diaspora in channeling hit songs.
No song has crossed over and become an international song without the power and the strength of the diaspora. Diaspora means travel. You need a visa.
It's a topic he's broached before. Apparently, little's changed. Many in the music industry still stuck. They can't go to places where their careers would otherwise take them.
We have a song that's bubbling tomorrow. You can't go foreign, go to jail, you know, because you don't have a visa. You can't fly to New York, you can't fly to LA, you can't fly to London because you don't have a visa. And by the time you go through all the muddle and the clutter to get your visa, the song has already died.
The rough-cut keyboardist constantly on the road, and not always in the US and Europe.
It is so bad, Anthony, that Caribbean islands which share our culture, the cultures are so near. They're like, I don't want King in Barbados again. I don't want this one in Cayman again. I don't want Byron Messiah over here again. It is so bad that we can't go into Caribbean islands.
And if an act who needs an O1 or P1 visa is frozen out, so's the support team who'd otherwise be in line for an O2 or P2. Band members, booking agents, chefs, stylists, among others.
So a problem starts with the O1s, with the artists. 99.9999998% of them can't travel because they are not internationally friendly. They're criminals. It affects your international mobility. You're walking on eggshells at every single juncture of your career.
It's tough to have to stay put, especially if fans are clamoring to see you, because, says staff, the money most are likely to see comes from hitting the road.
The only thing on the right side of the equal sign is touring. We don't make no money no other way in both like we make touring money. We just make that clear. So all of your J.R. Watkins people that trying to change the left side of the equal sign, you need to own your masters. Rubbish! And J.R. you need to stop too. You need to stop. This owning of your masters and this digital this and this and the social media, you need to stop it. Because at the end of the day, the business model has not changed.
Staff's buzzwords: travel, touring, diaspora, songs, all interconnected.
You know, in Tenerife, you know, in Madagascar, you're not going nowhere over there, sir. And when you say you go on New York, go tour, you go your Virgin Barbecue, you don't go Beacon Theatre yet.
You bossy mad, you bossy mad.
When you're doing real music, Anthony, you know the map of the US, you know the map of the UK, you know. When you learn the industry, you write a different song because you know what radio wants. You know how X things work, and you know for a fact say, this is not going to work. The producer them are dead for you, know. Or you going to make money off a production when the artists are fighting to say I run the whole song. I never make a reading wrong yet. It is dead. So the only way you can really make money and have a fruitful career has to be touring. And real proper touring. All of the festivals or breadbasket is in Europe. Europe has the most festivals, bro. And we know the panorama.
And don't mention the old school names like Third World and Inner Circle.
They are touring. It's them me go up on the road go see. You know the weird places and the regular places. I don't see nobody else. We're on the other side of life. What about the young kids? the ones that are supposed to take the torches from us.
Chronic's protege.
Where are they? When is the last you heard a Chronic song? I'm asking. I'm genuinely asking.
Rotterdam Sunsplash, one of the biggest reggae festivals in Europe. Expensive to get an act from Jamaica there, not to mention their band, expenses, etc. So, what would justify the cost?
The fact that your song's working and the people want to see you, one, and two, you are presenting the culture on the highest level. Your show look good, you dress good, you interview well, all of the things that make you an artist, not a talent. We mix up artist and talent too much now.
So that's missing.
Fully missing. That's why you still see Chris Martin touring. That's why you still Romain and Virgo touring. Because they got it. They have a system. That's why you see the Marley's touring, Kabaka Pyramid touring with a Grammy. That's why you see Sean and Shaggy's touring. Diana King still touring. All of the Coffee still tours. I'm on a lot of planes and you still see the same suspects every single time.
And yes, he understands that the new generation has to do what it needs to well, live. But
no, knock nobody. Valiant, you learned a hard lesson the other day. You lock Jamaica wicked. Fees him of it and him go Kingston 21. I'm not call Miami, I'm call it Kingston 21. Because by the time I fly to Miami, 4 other flights come in and everybody way. I see policy those, they are Miami too. And some people never know they're Miami no. And it's the same people. Body count, they understand. And the people that know him, I sing. And the real diaspora crowd in Florida was standing up on him. Didn't happen once, it happened twice. Don't take it bad though, my youth. This is how you regroup, fix your thing, and grow. Because it's not a stubborn it, you know.
But what does that tell you when
tell
something
you that,
like that happens?
That tell you that you don't cross over and translate to the diaspora yet.
So, for staff, back to square one. Hotness in the core, a low burn. The flame that grows, fanned in the diaspora.
And it's funny, because you happened in Jamaica 2 years before New York love you. But you don't really get the signing attention and the industry attention until the tri-state love you, Boston, Philly go straight down, your LA, your Atlanta come down to Florida, yeah. And then...
Till then, Nigel staff with a gloomy outlook.
Why? Black like a chalkboard. Where I try to look through. It's dark. And I'm genuinely worried because we've built something that is phenomenal. And we've built it out of nothing. And I want to see it continue.
So it's really about expanding that audience again.
And the only way you can expand it is through touring. You don't have no other way in. No other way in. You got the lucky song. Touring is going to cement it. Your biggest technology to date is your ears, you know. You could have the baddest drum, the body. If you can't hear it, you know, you half key the brother. Your biggest technology here, they're not making songs because they're not tour. And they're not take no telling. Simple.